How to fix this phone number cannot be used for verification on Gmail account. So if you're facing a problem with the phone number cannot be used or verified for the Gmail account, then what you need to do is first you need to check your internet connection. So check the internet connection, choose Wi-Fi or your mobile data or cellular data, and check if you have a stable internet connection. Because if you don't have the internet connection, then your problem might arise. So once you've checked the internet connection, open up your settings, and under your settings scroll all the way down, tap on about phone, and under the phone you can simply scroll down again, tap on software information, and from here if you have an update, simply go for the update and update your application or update your device. So first update your device, and then you can update the Gmail application from your Play Store. So if you don't have an update, you can simply go back and you can open up your Play Store, and once you open your Play Store, search for the Gmail. Once you've searched, if you have an update under your Gmail, you can go for the update and update your application. But even after that, if that still doesn't fix, then it might be because of the VPN. So if you have turned on your VPN on your device, then you need to simply go and turn off the VPN service. And once you've turned on the VPN service, your problem will be fixed. Or if that still doesn't fix, you can simply go with the Google or Chrome, any browser that you're comfortable with, go for the Google support, and you need to write the feedback to Google and your problem will be fixed. So these were the fixes on how you can fix the phone number. Cannot be used for the verification of Gmail address. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.